that go hot. Awesome.
Oh,
is it awesome?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing hearing protection?
No reason.
You're the only one here wearing hearing protection.
What?
It's up to the floor. It's so deep. Well, it buried it. $1 million question remains is, can we get out of this? That's 38-inch tires up to the rear bumper. Oh man. Hey, I've got a video title for this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, moron gets Hummer stuck.
Yeah.
Oh my God. All right. Now, before you ask, yes, this in fact was the DDE Urus. Let's see what I think of this compared to my RS Q8. But this is the 2020 Porsche Taycan Turbo S, priced at $219,000. So they don't give it away. So my expectations are high that this thing better be good. Let's get into it and see what we can find out. All right, Serge, this is it, buddy. This is it. So all we have to do is add essentially 4 fender flares, little bit of stuff there, some side skirts, giant spoiler, fender flare. We gotta lower the car, and yeah, he wants it back in a week. So
real quick job.
Yeah, just a quick job. We have a week to do this. So
a big box.
Yeah. So yeah, let's do some with the carbon front shim. Go. Photographers are all getting ready. Yeah. These guys are all getting ready. Like legit feels like a video game. Beautiful 488. The SF90 for 1.5 million US isn't for you. What about a Bugatti Veyron? One of the fastest production cars ever made. Set the bar, $1.2 million. 1,000 horsepower. What else does the guy need? Quad turbo? You have a f***ing cup holder in your Aventador? What is happening right now? Well, to add to Steve's adventures, I just had a giant boulder that came falling off here right in front of me. Damaged my carbon fiber, and it's stuck under my car. I don't even know what to do right now.
Pick up the tires!
The tires, like, so he's like, how much do you think tires would cost for a ever wondered what a C8 sounds like in -10 Celsius? Woo! It's got some bark to it! That's what I'm talking about.